Good morning, stock traders. This is the Stock Sumo over at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, and today is Friday, December 13th. That's right, Friday the 13th, a date that's synonymous with doom and gloom. But not over here at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. We're on fire this week. It's been a record week for us, getting in the penny stock rumble 3 out of 4 days. Let's go over this week's big gainers and talk about some of the success that we've had. First up is TGRO. This was Monday's alert, and here's Monday's candle. You can see it was trading around 36 cents, had a gap up from Friday's close of 30 cents, made a big move up into the 60s, all the way from that 36 cent mark. Very nice move. That was the first pick this week that earned us in the penny stock rumble. Let's move on to the second one. That's BGMD. We caught BGMD off our scanner on Tuesday. Stock was trading in the low 60s. Had a big move up Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we saw the follow through all the way up to $1.70. So nice move on BGMD. Yesterday, we're starting to get a consolidation after such a big move up. Then that brings us to our next big play that we alerted Wednesday. CYTR was trading in the 350 to 425 range. Nice move there, bouncing back and forth after a big gap up. And then yesterday we saw the follow through. The stock just broke out and closed near the high of day. And already in the pre-market session, CYTR is gapping up again, up another 5% here, trading at $6.40 pre-market. Currently it's 8:15. We got an hour and 15 minutes till the opening bell. Just wanted to run through some of these big plays from this week so people can get hip to what's going on over here at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. We've been on fire. We're going to keep the momentum up and really come out of the gate strong next year. If you haven't been following us, now is the time that you definitely want to get signed up to our site. We've been spitting out winner after winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So that's going to bring us up to our next alert. This one's hitting the scanner this morning. That's CNDO, Coronado Industries, Inc. And currently pre-market, we're seeing trades go off at $225. It's up 26% on almost 500,000 shares traded. This is the type of action that we look for pre-market, a big gap up on significant volume, and these are the type of chart setups that we like to look for. Notice we had a big gap down here. Must have been a bad earnings release, or they must have missed expectations. Big gap down, was trading in the $6 to $8 range, and then came down. Notice the gap down here, big gap to fill on the chart. So now we're getting a gap up. Once we break this 50-day moving average, the chances for us filling part of this gap are really good. So we definitely want to keep an eye on CNDO. I'm liking the pre-market action. I like this chart setup. It's coming off of a recent bottom, and there's a large gap to fill. So be sure to keep your eye on CNDO. Stop by our blog at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com and get hip with the hottest stocks in the market. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck out there, traders.